Top 5 Best Vacuum Cleaners into 24. Hey there, tech enthusiasts and cleanliness connoisseurs. Welcome back to the Gadget Corner, your go-to spot for the latest and greatest in gadgetry. Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates with everyone who loves a spotless living space. Yes, you guessed it. We're talking about vacuum cleaners. But not just any vacuum cleaners. We're counting down the top 5 best vacuum cleaners of 2024. Imagine transforming your cleaning routine from a chore into a breeze. These vacuums are not just tools, they're game changers in the world of home cleaning. We've thoroughly tested and scrutinized countless models to bring you the absolute best of the best. Whether you're after high-tech features, unbeatable suction power, or sleek designs, our list has got you covered. And here's the most exciting part. If any of these vacuum cleaners catch your eye, we've got you covered with exclusive Amazon links. Find them in the pinned comment and description box below. So grab your notepads and let's dive into the world of pristine floors and dust-free corners with our countdown of the top 5 best vacuum cleaners in 2024. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the sleek and versatile Samsung Jet 90 Pro. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a powerhouse of cleaning versatility. Let's dive into what makes the Jet 90 Pro a must-have in your cleaning arsenal. First up, versatility is the name of the game with this vacuum. The Samsung Jet 90 Pro comes loaded with an array of brush heads designed for every nook and cranny of your home. Imagine effortlessly switching from a soft brush ideal for delicate hard floors to a robust motorized brush perfect for digging deep into carpets. And for those hard-to-reach corners, the crevice tool has got you covered. But wait, there's more! Tired of running out of juice halfway through cleaning? The Jet 90 Pro laughs in the face of such challenges, boasting a long-lasting battery life that delivers up to a whopping 60 minutes of cleaning time. That means you can tackle even the largest spaces in one go. Goodbye, annoying interruptions. And if you're a fan of smart tech, you'll love the digital display. It keeps you in the know with real-time updates on battery level, suction power, and filter status. This means you're always in control, ensuring optimal cleaning and easy maintenance. Lastly, let's talk comfort. The Jet 90 Pro's lightweight and ergonomic design makes it a breeze to handle. It's so comfortable and easy to maneuver, you might just find yourself looking forward to your cleaning sessions. So, if the Samsung Jet 90 Pro sounds like your new cleaning partner, don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the pinned comment and description. Moving on to number 4, we have a true marvel of modern technology, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. If you thought vacuuming and mopping were chores, think again. This gadget is about to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Imagine a world where your floors are cleaned without you lifting a finger. That's the reality with the Roomba J7 Plus. It's a 2-in-1 wonder, seamlessly switching between vacuuming and mopping, ensuring your floors are spotless whether you're home or away. Talk about having a personal cleaning assistant. But what about navigating around your beloved furniture or those random obstacles? Fear not. The Roomba J7 Plus is equipped with precision vision navigation. This little genius uses advanced sensors and cameras to dodge obstacles with the agility of a seasoned ninja, ensuring it cleans efficiently without any mishaps. And it gets smarter. With Imprint Smart Mapping, this robot learns the layout of your home, creating customized cleaning maps. You can set specific zones for targeted cleaning or routines that fit your schedule. It's like having a cleaning plan tailored just for you. Wave goodbye to the hassle of emptying the dustbin constantly. The Clean Base feature is a game changer, automatically emptying the robot's dustbin after each cleaning cycle. This means hands-off maintenance for weeks. And for the cherry on top, the Roomba J7 Plus is compatible with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Just say the word and it jumps into action. It's not just smart, it's like having a futuristic butler. At the number 3 spot, we have the Shark NV360 Navigator, a powerhouse that's redefining the way we think about vacuum cleaning. This isn't just any vacuum, it's a cleaning wizard ready to tackle any challenge your home throws at it. First up, let's talk about the magic of Duo Clean technology. Why settle for one brush roll when you can have 2? The NV360 features a dynamic duo of brush rolls working in perfect harmony. Whether it's large particles on carpets or fine dust on hard floors, this vacuum doesn't discriminate. It devours it all, leaving your floors immaculate. For anyone who's battled with tangled hair in their vacuum, here's some good news. The NV360 comes with anti-hair wrap technology. Say goodbye to the tedious task of untangling hair from the brush roll. It's time-saving and, let's be honest, a huge relief. But what about those deeply embedded dirt and debris? Fear not. The NV360's powerful suction is like a superhero for your carpets and upholstery. delving deep to remove hidden dirt and ensuring a thorough clean. And the design? Lightweight and versatile. The NV360 glides around furniture and sneaks into hard-to-reach areas with ease. Its swivel steering is like a dance, graceful yet effective. Don't forget about those hard-to-reach spots. The extendable reach, complete with a crevice tool and dusting brush, takes cleaning to new heights. Furniture, upholstery, and even those pesky cobwebs on the ceiling, nothing is out of reach. So, if the Shark NV360 Navigator sounds like the cleaning partner you've been dreaming of, don't hesitate to check out the link in our pinned comment and description. Sliding into the number 2 spot with grace and power is the Tanco Floor 1S3 Cordless. This isn't just a vacuum cleaner, it's a cleaning revolution in a sleek package. Let's dive into what makes the Floor 1S3 a game changer in the world of home cleanliness. The standout feature, it's the master of multitasking. Imagine combining vacuuming and mopping into one seamless task. With the Floor 1S3, you can kiss goodbye to the days of separate vacuuming and mopping. Whether it's dry debris or wet spills, this machine handles it all without breaking a sweat. Maintenance can be a hassle, but not with the Floor 1S3. Its self-cleaning function is like having a self-sufficient cleaning partner. After each use, it automatically cleans its brush roll and internal components, ensuring it's always ready for peak performance with minimal effort from your side. Efficiency is key, and the Floor 1S3 knows it. Thanks to its smart dirt detection, it automatically adjusts suction power based on the dirt level. This not only optimizes battery life, but also ensures an unbeatably efficient clean every time. Maneuverability? It's a dream. Lightweight and designed with a flexible head, the Floor 1S3 effortlessly glides around furniture and squeezes into tight spaces, making it a godsend for homes with plenty of obstacles. And for those who dread the mid-clean battery runout, worry no more. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, the Floor 1S3 lets you cover large areas on a single charge. Uninterrupted cleaning bliss. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, at number 1, we present the unparalleled, the unbeatable Dyson V15 Detect. This isn't just the pinnacle of vacuum technology, it's a cleaning masterpiece that redefines what we expect from a vacuum cleaner. At its heart is Dyson's latest hyperdymium motor, an engineering marvel. This powerhouse generates suction that's nothing short of incredible, making light work of deep-seated dirt and debris on any surface. Whether it's stubborn carpet dirt or fine dust on hard floors, the V15 Detect doesn't just clean, it conquers. But that's not all. Enter the game-changing laser technology. This genius feature illuminates hidden dust particles on hard floors, ensuring that no speck of dust can hide even in low light. It's like giving your floors a meticulous clean with superhero vision. Monitoring your cleaning has never been easier thanks to the intuitive LCD screen. It keeps you informed with real-time data on filter status, suction mode, and battery life. This means optimized cleaning, efficient maintenance, and no unexpected power runouts. Let's talk about air quality. The V15 Detect's whole machine filtration system is a breath of fresh air, literally. Capturing 99% of microscopic particles, it ensures that the air expelled is cleaner, making it a boon for allergy sufferers. Maneuverability? It's a breeze with the articulating fluffy head. This feature ensures smooth gliding across all floor types, making cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a leisurely stroll. So if you're ready to elevate your cleaning experience to the level of art, check out the Dyson V15 Detect. The link's right there in the pinned comment and description. And there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive rundown of the top 5 best vacuum cleaners in 2024. Each of these vacuums brings something unique to the table, and the right choice for you depends on your specific needs and lifestyle. For the tech-savvy and efficiency seekers, the Dyson V15 Detect is a marvel. With its cutting-edge laser and LCD technology, it's perfect for those who love smart features and precise cleaning. If you're juggling various tasks and need a vacuum that can keep up, the Tineco Floor 1S3 is your go-to. Its ability to handle wet and dry cleaning, along with a self-cleaning function, makes it a standout choice. And if you are dealing with pet hair, then the Shark NV360 Navigator, with its anti-hair wrap technology and powerful suction, might just become your furry friend's best companion. Love the idea of hands-free cleaning? The iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus, with smart mapping and a self-emptying dock, offers an ultimate automated cleaning experience. For those who need a vacuum that adapts to various cleaning scenarios, the Samsung Jet 90 Pro's powerful suction, long runtime, and multiple brush heads will meet all your diverse cleaning needs. Remember, your choice should factor in elements like budget. the types of floors in your home, whether you have pets, and the specific features you value the most in a cleaning gadget. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect vacuum cleaner that aligns with your lifestyle and cleaning requirements. Don't forget to check out the links in the pinned comment and description for more details and to support the Gadget Corner. Your support allows us to keep bringing you the best in gadget reviews and recommendations.